What's going on, guys? So today we're going to install Postgres on your Windows machine. You can just search Postgres and go to the official website. You can either click here or here. This is the direct link to the download page. When you reach this page, you can see there's many options that we can use for Linux, macOS, Windows, BSD, and Solaris. So just for today's video, we use Windows, so let's click this one. And when you see this page, just find the download the installer link and click on it. You're going to see that we have many versions. You can choose any version that you want. Notice that we didn't have 32-bit system support. I don't know if there is any workaround that lets you use it on 32-bit machine, but I hope you have 64-bit machine, and click on this little icon here for the download to be started. You can open it, click yes, click next, choose the location that you want it to be installed, and then click next, again next, and type your password here. Don't forget this password, but you can reset it anyway. If you forget it one day, you can reset it. Click next, next, and next. And now our installation is completed. Uncheck this and click on finish. Search for pgAdmin. This database editor comes out of the box because we checked that in installation wizard. If it didn't, then it wouldn't be here. Now when you reach here, you can test it by go to create database. Also want to tell you that when you first open this, it's gonna ask you for password, and I hope you didn't forget it. You can click here to create a new database. I'm gonna call this my database. So this is our new database. You can click on this query tool to write some query. Now let me test it. Let me create a new table. I'm gonna call this test, and then ID, serial, primary key, and name, and then varchar 255. I hope this works. Okay, it works now, and let's select all from test. I hope it works. It does.